Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your PeoplePerHour account to access freelance opportunities and build your professional profile, follow these detailed steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the PeoplePerHour website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to your profile settings by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Step 3. Look for the verification section in your account settings. This may be labeled as Identity Verification or Account Verification. Step 4. Start with email verification. If you haven't verified your email yet, PeoplePerHour will send a verification email to your registered address. Check your inbox. Step 5. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Step 6. For identity verification, you'll need to upload a government-issued photo ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national identity card. Step 7. Take a clear photo or scan of your ID document, ensuring all information is visible and readable. Upload it through the verification portal. Step 8. Some verification levels may require a selfie holding your ID or completing a video verification call. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Step 9. Submit all required documents and information. PeoplePerHour will review your verification request, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Step 10. Check your email for confirmation once your account has been verified. Your profile will display verification badges to increase client trust. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.